Hello everyone, this is Jag. In this video I'll be covering everything you need to know on how to grow turnips from seed to harvest. So let's get started. To start, you must have loose soil. Turnips are root vegetables and require loose soil so that they do not have any resistance growing into the soil. You can also use berms to grow turnips by hilling up the soil. I prefer to grow my turnips in raised beds with lots of compost. I made a video on how you can make your own hot compost. Check the video out if you're interested. I'll leave a link to that video in the description. Since I use a lot of compost, I do not have to add any more fertilizer to grow turnips. I'm starting from some turnip seeds. It is very easy to plant a lot of turnip seeds in a small space, so be careful when planting. Run a trowel through the dirt to create rows. Plant seeds about ½ inch deep and 4 inches apart. Row spacing should be 12 inches or 1 foot apart. Cover the seeds after planting. Turnips germinate in about 2 weeks and small turnip plants become visible. After 4 weeks, the turnip plants are 4 to 6 inches tall. After 6 weeks, turnips are completely visible growing under the soil. Turnips are a cool weather crop. Plant turnips in fall or autumn or in spring 2 weeks before the last frost. Water regularly and keep the soil moist so that turnips continue to grow deeper into the soil. Do not let the soil dry out. After 2 months of growing, turnips are ready to harvest. Just gently pull and turnips come right out of the ground. Look at these gorgeous turnips. They are going to be really good eating. I left some of the smaller turnips in place to harvest later.
Well, look at all these turnips. They're looking absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to be snacking on these.
I keep planting more turnip seeds every 2 to 3 weeks in succession so I can keep harvesting turnips all throughout the growing season. After another 2 weeks, I harvested more turnips. Look at these beautiful turnips. This is a really good one. Turnip greens are also edible. They are a part of the same family of vegetables as kale and broccoli. They are high in nutrition and low in calories. They are really good sautéed as well. You can also let some of your turnip plants go to seed so that you can save seeds from those plants to plant them next year.
But check out all these turnips. These turnips look absolutely delicious. And I harvested about these many turnips about 2 weeks ago. And I still harvested about 5 or 6 turnips this week. And every week or two, I'm harvesting about 5 turnips and there's still more in the ground. So I'll be snacking on turnips for a while. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in another video.